Welcome. How are you doing? Are you a member of a community group, a club, or do you have an idea for a project within your community? Do you like outdoor activities, drama, snail racing? Are you in a sports team or a dance squad? Do you like gardening? Thought about starting a games library or a support group? We have £500 up for grabs to use on equipment, trips out, activities, materials or venue hire. Yes, £500. So what do you have to do to get your hands on the funding? Make a short video telling us about your group or idea. Tell us what you would use the funding for, and then send the video to us. The videos will then be shown to all secondary students in West Dunbartonshire who will cast a vote. The video with the most votes wins. Interested? Great. If yes, then please contact us at YourCommunity at west-dunbarton.gov.uk for an application pack and all the details. Looking forward to seeing all your great videos.